So, big news. We have one of our favorite family members back in the house.
Let's get out here. Dingle Hopperz.
Oh, what a beautiful sunny day. It's completely wet, but it looks so beautiful outside. And we have a lot of new, sun is in my eyes. Say what up, Anthony. Yeah! Anthony is rocking the ill shirt from Thailand, because at school, it's something like, where do you want to go? And his grandma went to Thailand. They brought him back an awesome shirt that says to Thailand. So big news. We have one of our favorite family members back in the house. Duke is home. So Duke went to training, and you are legit a certified master trained cute little puppy in the whole entire world.
Because he has
The training collar.
A training collar, yeah.
Duke's gonna go check on little baby brother Austin. Fortunately, is not feeling all that well this morning.
Yeah.
Dingle Mom, say good morning to everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Austin.
Austin, you're not feeling too good today.
Right? Say everybody, I'm not feeling good.
I'm not feeling good, everybody.
Today, we're gonna go get groom duked. We're gonna get groom duked. We're gonna get Duke. He's gonna get a nice bath. Anthony goes to school. We're gonna make sure that we get everything Austin needs for his mishap. He's not feeling too good, so we gotta make sure that he gets 100% so he's strong like a bull. Strong like a bull. Guys, we're here at PetSmart. Duke's gonna come out. You're gonna smell good. Duke, are you ready to go smell good? Duke, are you ready? Let's go. Good boy, let's go, let's go. Duke is gone. Duke is gone to get groomed. Just picked up Anthony from school. How was school, buddy?
Dope! I went to school today at soccer, and I kicked the ball and I got a nice point.
Nice! Go! Duh, all right, that's awesome. Glad you had a good day. We have to go to school. We have to go to Target to get baby Austin some soy.
Soy? What's soy?
Soy.
Is it soy sauce?
No, not soy sauce. Soy formula. Not soy sauce. What do you think? We're cooking Austin Chinese food?
Yes.
Yeah. You goofy. We found the soy. And it's not soy sauce. That's not soy sauce. That's soy formula, you goofy.
That's not soy sauce, Goofy. This is not soy sauce. This is not soy sauce. This is not soy sauce. Let's get out here. Who said that? What? Look at me, Dad. I'm gonna pop their face.
Cute.
You're welcome.
So of course we go in for just the formula. I come out with 2 bags, and Anthony got some cute pops.
Who said that?
It's me, Polly.
Who's Polly?
So, soy sauce, check. Now, off to pick up Dukas from his salon grooming.
Daddy, let's do it.
Let's go get him. Let's get him. Come on. Duke, how was your grooming? Duke. Duke, how was your grooming, buddy? I heard you were a good boy. Is that right? Good. You gonna go home and play? Good. Good. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. All right, you guys. So Austin is in bed, but not asleep. Dingle Mom's in her PJs. Anthony's in his PJs. And I'm about to get in my PJs because it is time for bed. It's been a long day. Peace out, everybody. Peace.